Talking about the one, the only Mario!
When I was like 4 years old, she got me this mic that tuned into the radio. Like, remember those mic used to... You know what it's like being signed to a label.
Yes,
you gotta convince niggas that this is the move. I wouldn't call myself the R&B emperor. It was just something I just started saying this year. If I didn't have
We're
a
gonna
verse...
with that, R&B.
You know what I'm saying? I'm like, I don't want to do this no more. This ain't for me. When I finished the record, he's like, I bet. I'm gonna go get Gucci on it for you. I say, nigga, Gucci like that. He's like, nigga, he just came home. Every time I see Stevie, he always compliment me on what I'm wearing, bro. Every time I see him, he always throw me off. Women, whether it's a girl who's never been touched before or a girl who's fucked 1,000 men, it's like, nah, nigga, this last take, my voice don't got no more, but for me, like I was cracking, like it was very wrong, it was unpolished.